Ask your doctor today if Zerona is right for you.
The future of liposuction. It's a brand new laser called Zerona. It zaps away fat without the bruising, scars, or downtime. I want everyone to look at this. This is Christine before and after. That is
wow.
really impressive.
Oh, wow. Look at your stomach. It's so defined.
So this is 2 weeks. This is 6 treatments, so it's basically 3 treatments per week. Isn't that impressive?
You look
I
amazing.
want you to stand up and show everyone this new body.
Yeah. As you can see in those pictures, big change. We actually measured you. You lost 4 inches around the tummy, and you lost 3 inches around the thighs.
Now, this is the Zerona laser, and this achieves what we consider to be the holy grail of plastic surgery.
Zerona.
Well, this machine utilizes 5 low-light lasers, and the lasers have actually been studied and found histologically to cause the fat cells in the body to release their fatty contents. And what they do is they release it actually into the space between the cells. And if you stack these treatments every other day for approximately 2 weeks, people can lose, by these studies, about 3 to 4 inches on average after 2 weeks, and some people have even lost up to 8 to 9 inches. There's no pain, no downtime, no recovery, no needles, no surgery, no nothing. It's 40 minutes, so you spend 20 minutes on your back, 20 minutes on your tummy, and you can literally read a magazine while it's going on.
Did it hurt, first of all?
No, it was very relaxing. In fact, it was a great time for me to catch up on phone calls and close my eyes and chill out, actually.
Introducing Zerona, the first FDA-cleared laser treatment to remove fat from your hips, waist, and thighs without surgery. With Zerona, there are no side effects or recovery time, and results can be seen in as little as 2 weeks. Zerona's clinically proven technology uses a painless cold laser to empty your fat cells and restore them to a smaller size. Experience for yourself the results that thousands of people have already achieved using the revolutionary Zerona laser. Ask your doctor today if Zerona is right for you.
Laser lipo.
Okay, this is like the thing I'm most excited about. What it is a laser, a cool touch laser. It doesn't burn the skin. It's used on the outside of the skin to melt fat. It's for people who have small pockets of fat, can't
Like
use
in
it
the
all
belly,
over your
the
body.
belly pooch.
You can lose a few inches. People have to do 6 treatments. It's $2,500, but on average, people lost over 3.5 inches.
Well, imagine being able to lose inches from your waistline without diet or exercise. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? I think it sounds too good to be true.
Yeah.
But that's not so, according to a new wellness center in our region.
Oh, I am looking forward to this story. It's using lasers to blast away fat, and Maritimers who have tried it say it works.
Zerona is the very latest in body slimming technology. It's a laser that targets fat cells and zaps them.
When it's applied to the skin, it stimulates the fat cells right beneath the skin's surface. And what this does is it encourages the fat cell to open up and release its contents. The contents are then taken into the lymphatic system and processed by the liver or metabolized through exercise.
Smith is getting 2 procedures.
And we're going to target the midsection and your love handles. 4 days, he's lost 3 inches. I can't believe it.
Some of you have heard about Zerona and want to know more. Zerona is a clinically proven, FDA-cleared cold laser that safely penetrates the skin, causing the release of unwanted fat from your hips, waist, and thighs. The released fat is naturally passed through your lymphatic system without negatively affecting triglyceride or cholesterol levels. Losing inches of fat from your hips, waist, and thighs can take months through diet and exercise. Now with Zerona, results can be seen in as little as 2 weeks with no pain, no surgery, and no recovery time.
This is the Fox 11 Morning News.
A brand new laser designed to help you lose inches without surgery or any pain or any downtime. It sounds too good to be true, but here it is. It's called the Zerona, a new non-invasive laser designed to remove fat and contour parts of your body using UV light.
This laser creates a pore in the fat cell, emulsifies that fat, turns it to liquid, and then that liquid fat is taken out of the body in the form of waste.
The Zerona is so hot. It's like unbelievable.
The Zerona laser looks straight out of Star Wars, and these space-age light beams actually signal fat cells to shrink. It's like lipo, but no incision and no anesthesia.
The treatments are given every other day for 2 weeks, and the average person loses 3 to 6 inches. This is see it, believe it results.
Introducing Zerona, this revolutionary FDA-cleared laser treatment that can take inches of fat away from your hips, waist, and thighs without surgery, pain, or recovery time. Zerona's clinically proven technology utilizes a painless cold laser to empty your fat cells and restore them to a smaller size. With Zerona, results can be seen in as little as 2 weeks. Listen to what actual patients have to say.
In 9 Zerona sessions, I lost 3.9 inches of fat. 2.5 being in my hips and my thighs. I was so excited with the results.
After only 6 sessions with the Zerona laser, I was able to lose 4.6 inches of total fat. And what I was most excited about was the 1.6 inches I was able to lose in my abs.
Based on the way I wanted my body to look, my doctor recommended 10 Zerona sessions. Within those 10 sessions, I lost 16.25 inches of fat. 5 came from my abs.
Ask your doctor today if Zerona is right for you.
What if I told you this cutting-edge device could melt inches off your waist and keep them off for good? Well, today, I'll show you live on the air the miracle procedure to fight fat without undergoing the knife. Joining me is Dr. Jamie Heskett. She's performed this procedure on thousands of her New York City patients. Dr. Heskett, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So, the device is called Zerona. Talk to me about how does it work? What fascinates you about it?
Well, I'm really excited to share this machine with you. It is the new frontier in fighting fat and getting rid of unwanted inches. So Zerona, actually what it does is a cold laser. It perforates the fat cell. When the fat cell is perforated, the contents of the fat cell leak out. They're taken into the circulation. It's either metabolized by exercise or by the liver, and the fat cell shrinks, and you shrink.
How many of you want to get your arms under here right now? Okay. A lot of you? All right. Let me, for 4, just informed consent, I'm going to show you with an animation what this actually does, because we have some really cool footage, and then we're going to talk a little bit about how it might be used in your lives. Okay, so here's what happens. You got an animation that sort of brings this alive, because it starts with the skin, but there's a little fat that you have, and the laser goes through that skin, and it hits the fat cells. Now let's actually see what really happens. Your fat cells literally dissolve. You see this shrinking up, and as they become mush, they begin to spread out and dissolve. Now what really happens is individual cells get messages. Once they have that signal, your white blood cells see those little sticky things come in there, and they suck them up, and know what happens? The fat shrinks.
So what we love about this machine is, and this new technology, is what we call the Zerona trifecta. And that is non-invasive, it is completely painless, and most importantly, it does not destroy the fat cell. We know that the fat cell is important to the endocrine function of the body, and we also know that if you reduce or take away the fat cells from the body, then if you are to gain weight in the future, it's going to potentially go to an undesirable place.
Right.
So that's what makes this different than any other technology that has been available in the past or any procedure that you can do that's invasive.
Perfect.